Hi everyone, it's Andrea from Movers and Bakers. Loads of you have been enjoying my Snickerdoodles cookies, so today I wanted to share with you my Snickerdoodles cheesecake recipe. Let's get baking. So normally for a cheesecake base, I would base it on graham crackers or digestive biscuits depending on whether you're in the States or the UK. Today, instead, I'm going to base it on a cookie because we're doing Snickerdoodles, of course. So I'm putting all my wet ingredients in first. Oil, egg, vanilla, and sugar. I'm going to give it a quick whisk just to combine everything up. And that is all our wet ingredients plus sugar done. To this, I'm going to sift in my dry ingredients. There we go. Flour in, bicarbonate of soda, salt, and of course, cinnamon. Sift all that in. So like I said before, this is based very much on my Snickerdoodles cookie recipe. So do check that out if you haven't as yet. And all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to mix everything together to form my cookie dough base. So that is my cookie base done. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to line my cake tin with it. I've just lined the bottom and I've put a couple of strips going across just to make it really easy to pull my cheesecake out once it's done. So I'm going to use about half this mixture to push into the base. I'm just going to use my hands and I just squish it a little bit just to get it started in my hands. And then I'm going to put it in the bottom of here and I'm going to spread it out to the edges. Now I have made this with a thicker base and a thinner base. So it totally depends on what you like. I find that I get a chewier base if I make it a bit thicker, but then you also get a bit more of almost a raw cookie in the middle that doesn't cook against the cheesecake. The thing that I found with making this as well is you have to make sure your edges are even compared to the middle, or else you have a rim around the edge and then a thin bit in the middle. So you can do this with your hands like I am. You can also use the bottom of a glass if you want a really smooth finish on the bottom. Both work really well. This cookie dough is lovely and easy to work with, so I'm finding that I can just push it down with my fingers and that is absolutely fine. Just to finish the base off, I have a cinnamon sugar sprinkle that I'm going to make. So this is 3 tablespoons of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon, and I'm just going to pop them together and give them a mix and sprinkle it over my base. So you don't want to use all of this because you're going to use some of this later. So you want to use maybe half of it at most, don't use more. That is my cookie base done. Now onto the cheesecake. So, of course, for a cheesecake you need cream cheese. Pop all that in there, and to that I'm going to add my sugar. Now through this recipe I've only used granulated sugar, I've not used caster sugar at all, and some more cinnamon. I'm going to give that a mix just to combine everything. And that's the cream cheese mixed up and softened. To that I'm going to add some vanilla and an egg. The reason I've used granulated sugar in this recipe is because it gives that really lovely crunch with the sugar that I love about Snickerdoodles. So I wanted the bigger grains rather than the smaller ones that caster sugar would give. So I've got my eggs and my vanilla in there. I'm going to give that one more mix and then it's all going to go over my biscuit base. There we go. That is the cheesecake filling all done. So I have put my cake tin for my cheesecake on a base just because I find it easier to hold and to put in and out of my oven. If you wanted to just do that, that's absolutely fine too. That just makes life easier for me. So all of this is going on there. I'm going to flatten it out. Let's get it all in first. And what we're going to do is we're just going to spread it out evenly into the corners. So I like to do my edges first and then flatten out just so I know it's gone all the way to the edges okay. Right, my filling is in, my cheesecake filling. Now I'm going to go back to the leftover cookie dough that I had. You may find that you don't actually use all of this cookie dough, and don't worry if you don't, it absolutely makes the most amazing Snickerdoodle cookies, of course. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab little pieces of it and I'm going to layer it over the top of this cheesecake. And what this is going to do is it's going to give you a really lovely biscuity top with a bit of the cheesecake coming through. That is my cookie dough on top all done, and just to finish before I pop it in the oven, remember that cinnamon sugar, we're just going to put another sprinkling over the top. This is now ready to go in the oven. So my oven, while I've been making this, has been preheating, and I'm going to put it in and I will see you on the other side with baked cheesecake. Welcome back. So my cheesecake has baked. I cooled it slightly in the tin for about 10 minutes before I lifted it out and popped it to cool on a rack and then put it in the fridge to cool down completely. And here we are. We have cheesecake ready to be cut into. So this is what it will look like. All those cookie dough bits on the top have all baked, and that's why you've got this lumpy top, if you like, but it's going to be beautiful, I promise. So here we go. So you're going to have a creamy cheesecake in the middle with a gorgeous, gorgeous cookie base. Look at that. So your cookie dough has cooked on the bottom, but near the top where the cheesecake layer is, it's still slightly raw, so it's just going to be chewy. It's not raw, it is cooked through, but it's just going to be chewier because it's got the moisture from the cheesecake layer. And then you've got this lovely crust from all the cookies that we put on top, and of course the cinnamon sugar sprinkle. That is going to be divine. Time for a little taste. So good. Cheesecake's really creamy. It's set perfectly. It's beautiful. The top's lovely and crunchy and chewy, and oh, just Snickerdoodle cheesecake. It's amazing. Honestly, you are going to love this. And there you have it. Snickerdoodle cheesecake. Amazing. You are going to love it. Don't forget, if you do make this, let me know in the comments below. I do want to hear from you. Please do like this video and do subscribe so you will get all notifications of any videos that I post. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.